Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to fix ADT mobile application not working. No doubt, the ADT mobile application provides convenient access to your ADT security system and smart home features, but there might be times when the application is not working properly on your mobile devices. There are a couple of ways to tackle ADT mobile app issues on your device, so here is how you can do it. If your application is not working, the first thing you'll need to do is to force close the app. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your interface and then push up the app card upwards. You can also go ahead and close off any other application running on your background. After you do that, open the ADT mobile app again and then try logging into your account and see if that fixes the issue. The next thing you'll need to ensure is that you connect your device to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data and make sure you choose the best and speediest internet connection. After you do that, the problem might be solved just like that, since most of the application error is caused by unstable internet access. If the problem still continues, the next thing you can do is to update the app. Outdated application can malfunction, so make sure you keep your application updated. Go ahead and open the App Store or your Play Store on your mobile device and go to the search box at the top and type in ADT and search. Once you find the ADT mobile application, simply click it on and then look for an update button if available on the interface. If you see the update button, tap on update to download the latest version of the app. Once the application is updated, you might be able to fix your issue. But if the problem still continues, then consider deleting and reinstalling the app. Go through your app drawer and hold the ADT mobile app. Tap on remove app or uninstall button and tap on delete twice. Once you do that, you will be able to get rid of the application from your database. Now go back to App Store or your Play Store and reinstall the app on your device, and that might be able to help you fix the problem right away. Those were some of the most easiest and basic troubleshooting methods you can follow if you want to fix your ADT mobile application from malfunctioning and not working properly. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.